Alright, here's something pretty cool. This is a Hunter original, but with the grape leaf faceplate. This is a white and brass R&M original with 3 speeds. This is a short-lived model that came about once R&M separated from Hunter, and Hunter began producing their fans mainstream. It has a newer switch cap though, I don't like that. Reversaire. If I can find the sticker, I'll show you. I can't really see what the camera's seeing. Oh, there it is. Hope you're seeing that. The model you just saw, I don't have it memorized and I didn't really see the viewfinder that well, so I couldn't tell you what it is, but whatever that model is a 3-speed shaded pole original that was made by Robbins and Myers, and that was discontinued very shortly after. Very short-lived model. And with the grape leaf plate, it makes it all the much better. I've had both this and the Zephyr up for some time because I've just been too lazy to take them down and replace them with something else. I have a antique brass R&M grape leaf fan waiting to go up, so maybe I'll do that next. I don't think it's 3-speed though. This, I believe, is from 1984, possibly 1983. This should have happened, excuse me, this should have happened a long time before 1984 because the low speeds on the R&M fans were very fast, and like this is what a low speed usually is like on an R&M original. Sometimes they're even faster, like on my 1973 or whatever original 22206. That one is a lot faster than this. It's almost like a modern fan's high speed because of it. It's just very fast for a low speed. And most modern fans have very slow high speeds. It is a powerhouse. But that's the case with most originals. Honestly, when I'm in bed, I'm sitting on my bed right now, so this is what it looks like and the distance from it from my bed. When the Zephyr above me had 5 blades on it, this actually performed better than the Zephyr did when I was sleeping, because I need air moving to sleep. It's not an interest thing or a fan thing. It's just that's how I sleep. Because when I don't, I'll sweat and it's just very hot and uncomfortable. But this did a lot better than the Zephyr did with 5 blades, and especially with it being right over my head. This one not. Hoping I can find more of these 3-speed R&M originals, especially with the different ornate faceplates, because they're just something you don't see, so that'll definitely be something to come across. And there you go. That's the late 3-speed R&M original.